Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. In case you're new here, my name is Sophia, and on this channel I share hair and beauty tips. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a 2-ingredient simple Ayurveda shampoo, and my first ingredient that I'm going to be using is amla. I got this from Amazon and I'll be leaving the link below in case you're interested. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of amla and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. The second ingredient that I'm going to be using is aloe vera. I got this dried aloe vera also from Amazon and I'll be leaving the link below also. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of this aloe vera powder and I'm going to add it to my amla powder that I have inside my bowl. And once I've added that, I'm going to go ahead and pour in hot water. And as I'm pouring, I'm going to be mixing it. I'll be using that hot water to mix the 2 herbs together and mix very well to make sure there's no lump. I'm going to be mixing it very well, and then I'll be adding enough water to make the mixture light because I'm going to be filtering it once I'm done mixing it. And then once I'm done mixing it, I will leave it to sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will go ahead and use my strainer to strain it. This is to remove any residual lumps in the liquid so that it will not leave lumps in my hair later when I use the shampoo. Once I'm done straining it, I have my liquid ready. I'm going to go ahead and add my base shampoo. Here I have this shampoo that I got, and I normally use this on my hair. It is clear and it has a very simple ingredient. It's also a herbal shampoo, and I'm going to be mixing it with the liquid I got from the amla and aloe vera mix. And this bottle of shampoo that I'm adding is 250 ml. So I'll be adding everything to the mix and then I'll mix it properly. So now that I'm done mixing it, my shampoo is ready. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my bottle, my application bottle. From this bottle, I'll be using it on my hair. So guys, this is my shampoo. It's ready. Very easy and simple to make. So here is a clip and video of how I use this shampoo to wash my hair. I'm going to be applying it mainly on the root, and then I'll just scrub gently. So you can use this shampoo once or twice in a week to wash your hair. So you can see it has enough lather on it, and it is very good, and it is cleansing also. Once you're done applying this on your hair, scrub it and then leave it on for at least 10 minutes before washing it out. Use it at least once a week, and then you start seeing amazing results. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video, leave a like and a comment below. See you on my next video. Bye bye.